Hi, my name is Todd Whited and I'm the GM from MAP-Pro. Today I wanted to go through a couple of different fuels that we have in our lineup. I'm going to lead off with our butane fuel. This is a great fuel for around the house, using with our butane torches, whether you're doing a small soldering job, pre-tinning wires, or heck, even in the kitchen when you're cooking up creme brulee and you need to crust the top of that sugar. This is a great utility torch to use all around the house and a great fuel for those reasons. Stepping up a little bit more higher in temperature is our propane fuel. Our propane fuel is a great utility fuel. From everything from lighting your chiminea to lighting your barbecue grill, even doing a small soft soldering job, propane is a great utility fuel for all your basic needs for heating and soft soldering smaller jobs. When you need to tackle that bigger job, that larger job where you need to throw down some significant heat, our MAP-Pro fuel is a great fuel for that. It's the hottest temperature fuel that we have in our lineup. So 3/4 inch copper up to 1 inch copper, even some brazing work, great fuel for that. And if you need more information about our fuels and our product line, please visit us on magtorch.com.